With what's going on right now, how would you know if your temperature is elevated? Do you have anything in your home right now to let you know if your temperature is rising? Because some places you go right now is actually testing your temperature to make sure it's not elevated. And I think that's going to be a wave of the future. So I got something right here that you can take for yourself to check to see if your temperature is elevated. This is the iHealth PT3. Let's talk about it. So I saw this temperature sensor on Wyze website and I said, you know what, that might be a good thing to have. This is the infrared kind, so all they have to do is point it at your forehead like a lot of places are doing now, and that's probably going to be a thing of the future. So kind of prepare yourself for it, because you might be going through airport security with temperature check, and before you even get on a cruise ship, who knows? So with the situation going right now, there will be some changes, so kind of prepare yourself for that. But anyway, let's get back to the topic. So I got this infrared thermometer just to check my temperature every once in a while, just to see what it is. Because sometimes you feel hot and you might think that you're running a temperature, but that has nothing to do with your temperature, that's just your body heat. Or it might be just in your mind, all because of what's going on in the world right now. So this temperature sensor said that it will check my temperature in 1 second. It's quick and easy, and it's equipped with the most advanced medical infrared sensor to give you an accurate and reliable reading. It's safe and hypergenic, so you don't need to touch your forehead or anything like that. You just need to point it, and then it's going to check your temperature in 1 second, and it will vibrate to let you know that the temperature reading has been taken. So you can just look on the display, because it has a display that shows you the actual temperature. So let's get into this box and see what's on the inside. Okay, so let's get rid of that empty box over there. We got a little booklet to let you know how it works and where to point, like right here, about right here, but almost between your eyebrows. That's where you want to point the sensor. And there it is. That's how small it is. Now this is something you can easily take with you at work. You know, ladies, you can put it in your purse. And fellas, you can probably put this in your book bag, pocket, or even a briefcase. But it's small enough to travel with. So it uses 2 AAA battery. Yep, AAA. So on the back, it has a little section that you just slide off to install the batteries. So let me go ahead and install those right quick. So once I put the batteries in, it just vibrated. So now I need to peel off this little sticker, because this sticker has numbers on the front right here, and that's not what I want. So I need to remove this so I can see the real number when I check my temperature. So that's how simple it is to get this thing ready. So take it out of the package, install the batteries, and then it's ready to go. And make sure you take off this little sticker, because it has numbers on it and you don't want to get any weird reading. So now let's put it to the test by testing my temperature to see what is coming in at. There it is, 97.3. My temperature is not elevated because 98.6 is the normal temperature. So I'm running pretty cool. But I feel like I'm warm, you know, maybe because I have these fleece on. So I would think that I have a fever just because my body temperature is elevated. But my actual temperature is not. I'm just feeling that way. So it does work. So now I can automatically check my temperature. If I feel funny, I can take this to work with me. Or I can have it with me at any time, because like I said, it fits fairly in your pocket. You know, it's not like it feels like it's too bulky. So it can easily travel with you wherever you go. So if you feel like your temperature is elevated, or even your family members, you can just go ahead and grab this right quick, check the temperature, and if it's elevated, then it's time to start quarantine. Other than that, you can tell them your temperature is fine and it's all in your mind. You'll be all right. Oh, one more thing. If it's not going off, you know, it buzzes when it reads your temperature, and it usually does that in maybe 1.5 seconds. So if you're not feeling the buzz, then you need to go closer to the skin. So if you're too far away and you try to press the button, it won't buzz. So the closer you get, you'll feel it, that buzz, and you'll know that you check your temperature. See that? 97.3. All right, so if you're interested in getting this temperature checker right here, check the link in the description. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.